Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and strategies for small businesses. In today's video, we're going to dive into how SEO strategies can influence the growth of appliance repair businesses. If you own or operate an appliance repair business and want to boost your online presence, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into specific strategies, let's quickly cover what SEO is for those who might be new to the term. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which refers to the practice of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results. The higher you rank, the more visibility your business will have, leading to increased traffic, leads, and customers. When it comes to SEO, there are three main pillars you need to focus on page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical optimization. Let's break them down one by one. First, let's talk about on-page optimization. This refers to optimizing your website's content to make it search engine friendly. You should focus on keyword research and use relevant keywords naturally throughout your website. Be sure to include keywords in your page titles, headings, meta descriptions, and alt tags for images. Additionally, create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that addresses common appliance repair issues and provides solutions. This will not only attract visitors but also establish you as an authority in your field. Next, we have off-page optimization. This involves activities that happen outside of your website but still impact its rankings. One of the most important off-page optimization strategies is building high-quality backlinks. Reach out to other reputable websites, such as industry blogs or local directories, and request backlinks to your website. Another effective strategy is to engage with your local community by participating in events, sponsoring local organizations, and getting involved in social media conversations. This will help increase your brand visibility and attract more local customers. Lastly, let's discuss technical optimization. This focuses on the technical aspects of your website that influence search engine rankings. First and foremost, ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Mobile responsiveness is crucial since a large portion of internet users access websites through their smartphones. Additionally, optimize your website structure, URLs, and navigation to make it easy for search engines to crawl and understand your content. Lastly, don't forget to optimize your website's meta tags, schema markup, and XML sitemap to provide search engines with valuable information about your business. But wait, there's more. When it comes to appliance repair businesses, local SEO can be a game changer. Let's talk about how you can leverage local SEO strategies to take your business to the next level. Local SEO focuses on optimizing your online presence to target customers in your specific geographic area. By targeting local customers, you can increase your chances of attracting nearby clients who are in need of appliance repair services. Here are some key strategies you can implement for effective local SEO. First and foremost, make sure your business is listed accurately and consistently across all online directories and platforms, such as Google My Business, Yelp, and local business directories. Provide complete and up-to-date information, including your business name, address, phone number, and website. This consistency will help search engines associate your business with the correct location and improve your local rankings. Optimize your website for local keywords by including location-specific terms in your content, meta tags, and headings. For example, instead of just appliance repair services, target keywords like appliance repair services in your city. This will help you rank higher in local search results when people search for appliance repairs in your area. Lastly, don't overlook the power of Google Maps. Claim and verify your business on Google My Business, and make sure your address, contact information, and business hours are accurate. Encourage customers to leave reviews and upload photos of your business. Google Maps is often the first place people turn to when searching for local services, so optimizing your presence there can greatly boost your local visibility. By implementing these local SEO strategies, you can target customers specifically in your area and increase your chances of being found by local appliance repair seekers. Remember, optimizing for local search is essential for businesses that rely on local customers. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these SEO strategies, including local SEO, valuable for your appliance repair business. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.